In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a project in Google Cloud Platform using the Google Cloud Console. Let's dive right in and walk through this process step by step, so you can easily follow along even if you're new to GCP. To get started, the first thing you'll need to do is log in to the Google Cloud Console. This is your main interface for managing all aspects of your cloud projects. Once you're logged in, look towards the top of the screen. You'll see the project selector in the navigation bar. Click on it, and you'll be presented with an option to create a new project. Go ahead and choose New Project. This opens up the project creation form, which is your next main task. You'll need to provide some basic information here. First, enter a name for your project. This can be anything you like, something descriptive or personal to you, and don't worry, because you can change this name later if needed. Now let's talk about the project ID. This is a unique identifier for your project across the entire Google Cloud ecosystem. It's important to note that while you can edit the project ID during this setup, it becomes permanent once you finalize the creation of your project. Make sure it meets the necessary naming criteria. It should be between 6 and 30 lowercase letters, numbers, or hyphens. Remember, it must start with a letter, and you cannot have trailing hyphens at the end. Next, there's an option to select a parent organization or folder. If you're just starting out and don't belong to any organization, you can leave this as No Organization. This simply means your project will stand alone without being tied to a larger entity within Google Cloud. After filling in these details, it's time to make things official by clicking the Create button. Google Cloud Console will then take a moment to register your project. Typically, this process is quite fast, and within a few moments, you'll see your new project listed in the console. Once your project is created, you might consider attaching a billing account. This step is particularly important if you anticipate needing access to any of Google Cloud's paid services. To do this, navigate to Billing and select My Projects. Here, you'll be able to change the billing settings for your project, ensuring that everything is set up to allow for any additional services you want to utilize. And there you have it. You've successfully created a project in Google Cloud Platform using the Google Cloud Console. I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out or consult additional resources available through Google Cloud. Thank you for watching, and happy cloud computing.